Hi everyone, I'm Sancy Pereira and I'm really excited to be here today. I recently graduated from Vivekanand Business School with a specialization in banking and finance, and I wanted to share my incredible experience. VBS wasn't just about sitting in classrooms. We got to work on real-world projects, interact with industry leaders, and really deep dive into the world of finance. This hands-on approach gave me a strong foundation and helped me understand the complexities of the financial sector. What truly sets VBS apart is their focus on the holistic learning. The specialized course, combined with the valuable insights from industry experts, truly prepared me for the challenges I knew I would face in the corporate world. Throughout my time at VBS, I received incredible support from the placement team. They guided me through every step, from building my resume to preparing for interviews. This support was invaluable and it gave me the confidence I needed to succeed. And guess what? All that hard work paid off. I recently landed a role at Nomura Services Pvt, a leading global financial firm. It was a dream come true, and I know I wouldn't be here without the support and guidance I received at VBS. VBS isn't just about academics, it's about building a strong foundation for your future. I'm incredibly proud of my time at VBS and I'm excited to see what the future holds.